Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify factor exposures using Portfolio Visualizer, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Portfolio Visualizer website. Once the page loads, locate the Portfolio tab on the top menu. Click on Portfolio to access the Portfolio Analysis tools. Scroll down and select Portfolio Analyzer from the drop-down menu. You will see an interface for entering portfolio details. Start by entering the assets you want to analyze in the designated field. Input the asset allocation percentages for each asset you are analyzing. After entering the asset data, look for the Add Asset button to include more assets if needed. Once all assets are entered, locate the Run Analysis button at the bottom of the entry section. Click on Run Analysis to generate the portfolio overview. The page will refresh to display key metrics, including returns and risk. To verify factor exposures, look for the tab labeled Factor Exposures. Click on the fact. You will be presented with various factor loadings, including market, size, value, profitability, and investment factors. Examine the information presented in the factor exposure table. Each factor will show its corresponding loading, which indicates how sensitive the portfolio is to that factor. To understand the implications, consider how high or low loadings might affect your portfolio's performance. Compare the factor exposures against your investment strategy or market expectations. To help contextualize the data, explore the historical returns section. You might want to adjust your portfolio based on the insights gained. If necessary, return to the Portfolio tab to refine your allocations or add new assets. After making adjustments, run the analysis again to see the updated factor exposures. Continue this iterative process until you achieve a satisfactory understanding of your portfolio's factor sensitivities. Finally, document your findings or take screenshots for your records. This completes your guide on verifying factor exposures using Portfolio Visualizer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.